All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 18 of our December daily math. Let's go. I see 1, 2, 3. Something divided by 7 equals 8. So again, we have the two bottom parts. We're missing the big number, so kind of like subtraction, we multiply. What's 7 times 8? Okay. You got 7 times 8? What are you thinking? You got it, 56. So 56 divided by 7 equals 8. So sometimes you just got to think of it as a multiplication instead on that one, right? Think of it in maybe a little different way. So 10 dimes, is that less than, greater than, or equal to $1? Well, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. These are equal. Okay, Mr. McCarthy has 16 fish and 4 bowls. He wants to put an equal number of fish in each bowl. How many fish should he put in each bowl? Okay, well, let's 4 bowls. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And he has 16 fish. Well, I'm already thinking something. Are you thinking that too? I'm already thinking something here. All right, let's go. 16 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there's my 16 fish, and how many do I have in each bowl? 4. So how many fish? 4 fish. This is like saying 16 divided by 4 equals what? It equals 4. Okay? Okay, number 4, Poodle or Dachshund. Students at Brookside School voted for which dog they would like to have as a pet. How many more students wanted a Dachshund than a Poodle? Okay? So let's see. I know from doing tally marks in the past that every single one of these is 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. Here's 49. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62. And it says how many more students. Okay, so there's a few more of these than those, right? So basically, we got to find the difference between here and, let's see, the one here and then those, right? So we should have 5, 10, 11, 12, and that one there was 13. So let's see if we're right. Okay? All right, so let's go 62. We'll get some workspace over here. Minus 49, and it should equal the 13 there that we counted, right? So more on the floor, borrow from next door. Okay, add the 1. So now we have 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. And that is correct. 13 students. So again, what I did there is I counted this 1. Okay, so we had 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. All right, and our last one, 345 plus 278 plus 37. Okay, so let's go. 8 plus 7 is 15, and 5 more would be 20. Let's see, we have a 7 and a 3 for 10, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 660. We can also set it up this way. And here we got 8 and 7 is 15, and 5 more is 20. And 7 and 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, 2 more is 15, 16. And 1 and 2 is 3, 3 and 3 is 6. All right, boys and girls, great job with your December daily math. Only 2 more days. Way to go.